Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the Series 2 of the AZ-900 Azure Fundamentals Exam Preparation Guide. I hope that you have gone through the Series 1 video and able to understand the concepts. In this video, I will discuss on core solutions and management tools. In this video also there will be question and answer, and if you prepare this question and answers, then I am sure that you will definitely succeed in the exam. But please remember that these are not actual questions, but these are the important topics which is very useful for your exam preparation. So let's begin. So the first question in core solutions and fundament and management tools is, what is Azure Dev Test Lab? By using Dev Test Lab, you can test the latest version of your applications by doing the following task. The task will be the first one, quickly provision Windows and Linux environments by using reusable templates and artifacts. Second is easily integrate your deployment pipeline with dev test labs to provision on demand environments. Third is scale up your load testing by provisioning multiple test agents and create pre provisioned environments for training and demos. The next question is, what is the use of Azure Advisor? This is very important question, and there will be multiple questions on this topic. Answer is, the advisor dashboard displays personalized recommendations for your all your subscription. The recommendations are divided into 5 categories. They are reliability, formerly called high availability. Second is security. Third is performance. Fourth is cost. Fifth is operational excellence. The next question is, what is the use of Azure Cloud Shell? The answer is, Azure Cloud Shell is a browser based command line experience. Users can choose between Azure CLI or Azure PowerShell. Direct link is https shell.azure.com. Concepts of Cloud Shell. Cloud Shell runs on a temporary host provided on a per session per user basis. Cloud Shell times out after 20 minutes without interactive activity. Cloud Shell requires an Azure file share to be mounted. So these are the concepts of Cloud Shell. The next question is, what is the Azure CLI? Azure CLI is Azure command line interface, which is used for automation. The Azure CLI is available to install in Windows, Mac OS, and Linux environments. Next is, what is Azure PowerShell? Azure PowerShell is a set of commandlets for managing Azure resources directly from the PowerShell command line. Next question is, what is the use of Azure Resource Manager template? ARM templates are JSON files. ARM is used to automate the deployments. In code, you define the infrastructure that needs to be deployed. Anyone on your team can run the code and deploy similar environments. Next is, what is Azure Machine Learning? Azure Machine Learning or Azure ML allows users to import training data, build, train, and deploy machine learning models, and even predict outcomes and cluster data, all from a single web browser. What is Azure IoT Hub? Azure IoT. IoT means Internet of Things. So, Azure IoT Hub is a managed service hosted in the cloud that acts as a central message hub for communications in both directions between an IoT application and its attached devices. You can connect millions of devices and their backend solutions reliably and securely. Almost any device can be connected to an IoT hub. Next question is, what is Azure Bot Service? Azure Bot Service is Microsoft Artificial Intelligence AI chatbot offered as a service on the Azure Cloud Service Marketplace. What is Azure Functions? Azure Functions is a serverless concept of cloud native design that allows a piece of code deployed and execute without any need of server infrastructure, web server, or any configurations. Azure Functions can be written in multiple languages such as C Sharp, Java, JavaScript, TypeScript, and Python. Next question is, what is Azure Container Instance? Azure Container Instance offers the fastest and simplest way to run a container in Azure without having to provision any virtual machines or learning new tools. It is just your application in a container running in the cloud. Next question is, what is Azure App Service? Azure App Service enables you to build and host web apps, mobile rack backends, and RESTful APIs in the programming language of your choice without managing infrastructure. It offers auto scaling and high availability, supports both Windows and Linux, and enables automated deployments from GitHub, Azure DevOps, or any Git repo. What is the use of Azure Application Insights? Azure Application Insights will automatically detect performance anomalies and includes powerful analytics tools to help you diagnose issues and to understand what users actually do with your app. It's designed to help you continuously improve performance and usability. It works for apps on a wide variety of platforms including .NET, Node.js, Java, and Python hosted on premises, hybrid, or any public cloud. What is Azure Databricks? Azure Databricks is a Apache Spark based analytics service in cloud. Next question is, what is the use of Power Apps Portal? Through Power Apps Portal, we can create external facing websites and create and view data in Dataverse or browse anonymously. Full capabilities of Microsoft Dynamics 365 is available in Power Apps Portal. What is Azure Synapse Analytics? Azure Synapse Analytics provides a cloud-based enterprise data warehouse (EDW). What is Azure Monitor? This is very important topic. Through Azure Monitor, we can maximize the availability and performance of application and services. It provides the information on application performance issues and the dependent resources which is causing the issues. It monitors the performance of cloud and on-premises resources. It can send alerts to Azure AD security groups. It can trigger alerts based on log analytics workspace. What is Azure Repos? The answer is, Azure Repos is version control tools or set of version control tools for managing codes. What is the use of Azure Service Health? Azure Service Health is a free offering from Microsoft that enables you to track the health of Azure services in the regions where your deployments are. It keeps you informed about the ongoing service issues, planned maintenance, or relevant health advisories. What is Azure DevOps? Azure DevOps provides code development and build and deploy of application. Next question is, what is the use of Azure Cognitive Service? The goal of Azure Cognitive Service is to help developers to create application which can see, hear, speak, understand and even reason. What is Azure HD Insights? Azure HD Insights makes it easy, fast and cost effective to process massive amount of data. You can use the most popular open source market frameworks such as Hadoop, Spark, Hive, LLAP, Kafka, Storm, R and more. Next question is, what is Azure SQL database? Azure SQL Database is cloud-based database service offered by Microsoft which helps to host and use a relational SQL database which does not need any hardware or software installation. What is Azure SQL Synapse Analytics? Azure SQL Synapse Analytics is a cloud-based service that leverages massively parallel processing (MPP) to quickly run complex queries across petabytes of data in relational database. What is Azure Lake Analytics? Data Lake Analytics. Azure Data Lake Analytics can run massively parallel data transformation and processing programs across petabytes of data. What is Azure Marketplace? The answer is the Microsoft Azure Marketplace is an online store that offers applications and services either built on or designed to integrate with Microsoft Azure public cloud. The products and services sold through the Microsoft Azure Marketplace come from either Microsoft directly or its technology partner. The next question is, what is Azure Logic Apps? Azure Logic Apps is a cloud based platform for creating and running automate workflows that integrate your apps, data, services, and systems. With this platform, you can quickly develop highly scalable integration solution for your enterprise and business to business B2B scenarios. What is Content Delivery Network (CDN)? The answer is the Microsoft Azure CDN offers developers a global solution for rapidly delivering high bandwidth content to users by caching their content at strategically placed physical nodes across the world. The next question is, what is Azure Data Lake? Azure Data Lake is a cloud platform designed to support big data analytics. It provides unlimited storage for structured, semi structured, or unstructured data. It can be used to store any type of data of any size. The last question of this series is, what is Azure Machine Learning Designer? The answer is the Azure Machine Learning Designer is a visual first environment that lets you build, test, and deploy predictive models via a drag and drop interface without needing to write a single line of code. So, this is the end of series 2. I hope that you have understood the question and answer under this topic called Core Solutions and Management Tools. Please prepare this question and answer before appearing for the exam. I hope this video is useful for your preparation of Azure Fundamentals AZ-900 exam. See you in the next series of this video. Thank you for watching this video.